All right, folks, gather around, because today we're talking about a true legend, the Yamaha XT500, the bike that basically kicked off the whole dual sport craze before adventure bikes were even a thing. This isn't some fancy modern machine packed with electronics. Nah, this one's pure old school muscle on two wheels. Built from 1975 all the way up to 1989, the XT500 was Yamaha's way of saying, you don't need a computer to conquer the dirt, just heart, torque, and a little kick. Under the tank, it's rocking a 499cc air-cooled Thumper, a single-cylinder four-stroke that's as raw as it gets. You twist that throttle, and it doesn't scream, it thumps. Every pulse feels like it's coming straight from the heart of the machine. And even though it's only pushing around 32 horses, this bike's got that torquey low-end grunt that makes you grin every single time you crack it open. Now, before you get too excited, yeah, there's no electric start. You gotta kick it. And trust me, that kicker will either make you fall in love or hate it forever. But once you master that kick, it's like a rite of passage. You and the XT500 become one. What made this bike so badass back in the day was how versatile it was. You could ride it to work during the week, then blast through dirt trails on the weekend without changing a thing. With its 21-inch front wheel, 18-inch rear, long travel suspension, and that solid bash plate underneath, it could handle just about any kind of road, or no road at all. And if you're wondering if this thing can actually perform, well, the XT500 won the first two Paris-Dakar rallies in '79 and '80. Yeah, the same desert race that eats bikes alive. And this little Thumper just shrugged and said, "Is that all you got?" That's the kind of toughness you don't see much anymore. But hey, let's be real. This thing's vintage. You're not gonna find one sitting in the showroom with a warranty and Bluetooth. You'll have to hunt one down used, maybe on Cycle Trader, Auto Trader UK, eBay, Auto Scout 24, Mobile.de, or even classic bike shops like Rev Monkey if you're lucky. Some folks keep in bone stock, others go full restoration mode. Either way, prices can vary big time, depending on condition. Specs-wise, you're looking at about 308 pounds dry, a 5-speed gearbox, and a top speed hovering around 100 miles per hour, which for a kickstart single from the late 1970s is pretty wild. Now let's break it down for anyone thinking of picking one up. On the plus side, this thing is rock solid reliable. Yamaha built it tough, and it's dead simple to wrench on. The parts aren't too hard to find either, since it shares a lot with the Yamaha SR500. It's got that classic retro look that turns heads wherever you park it, and it's surprisingly fun to ride. That big single cylinder just pulls with attitude. But there are some trade-offs. The drum brakes feel ancient compared to today's discs. The handling off-road is solid, but not exactly featherweight or razor sharp like modern dirt bikes. And yeah, being an old bike, you're definitely going to be dealing with some age-related wear and tear, wiring, seals, and carbs that might need love. Bottom line, if you're into vintage bikes and want something that's got soul, something that roars instead of hums, the XT500 is a piece of history that still rips. It's not perfect, but it's got more character than most new bikes could ever dream of. So if you ever find one sitting in a garage somewhere collecting dust, don't walk away. Fire it up, take that Kickstarter for a spin, and feel what real motorcycling used to be about. Grit, guts, and a big thumping heart. This is Zee Autos, and that's the Yamaha XT500, the dirt legend that still knows how to raise a little hell.